boys and girls, girls and boys, welcome to Girl and Guitar. We have Nico Santos, not for the first time. He's been before, our German singer-songwriter. This time we had a song called Pieces, okay? So this one is played with the capo on first fret. That's the best scenario for us. We have 4 chords, and we're gonna handle them in a different way, but they are there from the beginning till the very end in the same order. Let's go over the chords A minor, D, G, and E minor. All right, so starting with A minor, sounds like that, beautiful. So we have open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D next, that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. G coming up there, so it goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And speaking of E, we have the E minor as the final chord, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so I played the intro for you. I'm gonna learn you have to play that. So yeah, let's go into it and go chord by chord. It goes like this for A minor. So you're gonna play second fret G string, open B, then open A together with first B, then open B, second G, and open G. Next chord is D, and the notes for the chord is like this. So that is to play open D together with second G, then open G, and fourth D. And then you have as a bridge note into the next chord, and there you have open G and second G. And that's lead to the next chord, the G chord, and that part goes. You're gonna play third fret on E string in the bass together with open B, then second G, open G, and fourth D. And the final chord is E minor, and the notes for that chord is. That is to play open E string in the bass together with open G, then fourth D, and second D. And there you have the notes and the melody. So like this. Alright, and that melody and the notes for the chords will be in the background here and there in this song. All right, so we know the chord progression, it's A minor, D, G, and E minor. So we have different alternatives to handle the chords. One, or the first, is to just play one down per chord with big pauses in between. So D, then G, and finally E minor. Okay? The next level is to play 4 downs per chord. So A, D. That's 4 downs per chord. And the final level, so to speak, is to play more full-blown strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, one string around will be like this. Down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. Okay, so we're gonna start with down, clap, and then comes down, up, down, clap, down. So down, clap, and then comes down, up, down, clap, down. You're gonna play one of these strumming rounds per chord, and with the chord progression, it will sound like this. And there you have it, guys. Nico Santos Pieces. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you're a fan of Gordon Guitar, then you have to subscribe. That's a must. Or perhaps Nico Santos. He will be back. So make sure to support me here. And until next time, play tuned.